I Swati, working as a laboratory analyst in water chemistry department at Tribocare Laboratories, Sharjah. Let me brief out about our laboratory. Ours is well-established, well-equipped testing organization with a global reach. We have latest analytical techniques in order to reach the demand of the customers and to maintain the quality of the products too. Ours is ISO 17025 certified laboratory, followed by we offer service worldwide with a great emphasis and experience in the marine sector. In our laboratory, we mainly analyze seawater samples which comes from the ships, especially scrubber water and potable water. In potable water, we mainly detect the trace elements present in it with the help of ICP-MS, followed by scrubber water. Scrubber is a type of the gas exhaust present in the ships. Followed by the scrubber has to be washed frequently with the help of the seawater in order to remove some of the hazardous substances present in it. So once the scrubber is washed, the water is discharged and that water is collected with the help of ICP-MS. We found the trace elements present in it. These are some of the daily activities with the help of ICP-MS. The TDS content in the sample is very high, which affect the matrix. For example, by clogging the interface. Therefore, the ICP-MS can tolerate only up to 0.3% of the TDS in the plasma. The sample must be therefore diluted, at least tenfold dilution is required. However, this leads to the loss of sensitivity. At the same time, the analyte of the interest in undiluted sample, if we consider, the concentration will be in a low ppb range. For some instruments, the concentration are ultimately in the ppt range. In addition, some of the elements like arsenic, selenium and zinc have high ionization potential. This makes the measurement even more difficult as less signal is available. Since our target elements are in low ppb ppt range, the accuracy at the low concentration is much needed. In order to reach out that accuracy, the instrument has to be very robust to bear the tough matrix. Coming to the plasma quantum S, the sensitivity of plasma quantum S combined with its unique features that support ionization and minimize matrix effect, which really caught our attention. The plasma quantum S allows to detect extremely low concentration with confidence. Additionally, the boost feature and H2 collision cell mode combination feature provide a major improvement in signal strength for isotopes, which is affected by the complex matrix and also crucial in seawater analysis. At the same time, the plasma quantum S can handle tough matrix without clogging the interface. The ecoplasma feature is also very important as it reduces the operating cost, and us being as a contract lab people, it's one of the greatest advantage for us. Also, the aerosol dilution capability help us to save the time as it eliminates the need for sample preparation. Followed by ability to add nitrogen directly to the plasma. This is one of the greatest feature. This greatly enhances ionization for elements like arsenic, selenium and zinc. All these features were vital in our decision. Among all the other great features, Plasma Quantum S allows to perform exactly the kind of full method validation we need. We performed a full method validation with 3 reference materials and achieved precise and accurate results that demonstrated full capabilities of the device. While the technical features were critical, the level of support and expertise was equally important. We appreciated that skilled experts were involved from the beginning and that application training was provided on site. This gave us confidence that we would be fully supported as we are integrated the Plasma Quantum S in our workflows. We are incredibly happy to have such a robust instrument that allows us to handle even difficult matrices such as seawater and in some cases brine samples. Its longevity and reliability in such difficult conditions has exceeded our expectations, and now we are considering to upgrade other laboratories around the world with the Plasma Quantum S.